Looking for a less wasteful way to get rid of old crayons? Well, here's an easy trick to renew them. We're making these super easy DIY marbled crayons. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome DIYs. Welcome to Mommy and Princesses Crafts. To make these marbled crayons, you will need a bunch of old crayons and a silicone mold. Start by removing the wrappers of the crayons that you've chosen. We went with similar colors. Break them into small pieces and then put them into the molds. Then bake them at 300 degrees Fahrenheit for about 25 to 30 minutes. While the crayons are melting, the level of wax goes down a bit, so if you want your crayons to be thick, add a few more pieces, like we did. When the crayons have fully melted, wait for them to cool down considerably before taking them out of the mold. We waited for about 2 hours until they solidified. Then we removed them from the mold. And these are how our marbled crayons turned out.
Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Bye!